Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanae Hayes. I am an online affiliate marketer. I am a single mom of four. I started this online journey of affiliate marketing in 2018. I was looking to replace my current job. I was looking for more income also. So I started my research here on YouTube and I came across someone who is an awesome mentor. They show great leadership, they teach you leadership, and from that day on, my life has changed. Um, I want to share with you guys a little bit of information about a great platform that I am a part of. With this digital home based opportunity, you don't have to do no recruiting. There's no experience needed. You don't have to speak to anyone, bug anyone to join your business, which is awesome. Our closers close all of your sales for you. Another great thing about this opportunity is that you don't even have to spend tons and tons of money on traffic. We have awesome traffic packages, and the traffic also converts. Now, what business do you know has traffic to offer you, or what program that you can go to and buy traffic and the traffic converts? Not too many, right? Everything in this business is on autopilot. Everything that you would need is available with this platform. You don't have to go on the outside resources to look for funnels, websites, like I said, traffic packages. You will get all of that. All of your training comes with the six different packages that we have available. They are awesome, awesome training packages. You have you also will get weekly training, weekly webinars. We have a great FB community group that shows awesome, awesome support to the team members. We have great success coaches available for any questions that you need answered. We have a great mentor who takes you step by step on all of the training. Now, you don't find that too many places. I've had um, businesses that I joined, and I thought that the people were going to be a great mentor to me and lead me to the right direction on how I can make a sustainable income for my family. That didn't happen. My money just went down the drain because I was paying so much money into these programs. I couldn't even ask my sponsors, what I would call them, a question because they wouldn't even respond to me. They were on to the next. This platform is totally different. It's awesome. All you have to do is have 60 minutes of your time. Whether you're starting in the morning or starting when you're getting off of your job later in the evening, you know, we have replays of the webinars, replays of the training for those of you who might miss it because you have a crazy work schedule. I mean, it is completely awesome, guys. I haven't found a program that fits my suitable needs like this one yet to come. Okay? All you're doing is completing some simple tasks. You learn from the beginning on how to brand yourself with any business that you're starting online, which you don't get that in many businesses either. You don't have no one who's going to teach you how to brand yourself, teach you the right way to go about just throwing your opportunity out there. Like you don't want to feel like a salesperson, okay? And that's awesome because you don't have to do anything that a salesperson do, like talk for hours on the phone, convincing people to join your business. It's awesome. If you are coachable, if you can follow simple directions, which is easy, you can do this. A kid can do this. Okay? We have a great FB community group. We have, like I said, great success coaches, a great mentor. You get to meet her in all of your trainings. You get to invite your prospects to the webinars and to the FB group, and they get welcomed in. So, if you guys are looking to join an opportunity that is very supportive of what you are trying to do in life, this is the opportunity to jump on board with, guys. So I will leave down below my website. You can check that out and get more information. The traffic packages and the training packages are included on my website. I will also leave the FB group link down below in the description. And I will also leave my Facebook link down below in the description so that you guys can message me if you would like. You can check out our FB group and see the great support there and see the value there. And I look forward to working with everyone. Let's rock this thing. And I will see you guys at the top. Have a blessed and awesome day.